How to disable recommended videos on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to disable recommended videos on YouTube app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To disable recommended videos on YouTube app, hop into YouTube app. Now log into your account. You can see all the recommended videos. To disable or delete it, you can hit the profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Select your icon at top right to access settings of YouTube. Now tap your data in YouTube under account section. Scroll down on this interface and you will get YouTube watch history section. Tap manage your watch history on YouTube. Select the delete button and you can select delete all time. Now tap delete to confirm that you would like to delete all your activity. Tap got it and get back to your YouTube home section. And you need to scroll to bottom and then swipe and refresh. Now you can easily try searching to get it started. That means we have disabled the recommended videos on YouTube app. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.